But at the same time, because that topic came up, yes, I just want to convey through that platform that none of that shaming matters. To only know somebody when you're face to face with them, when you come to terms with them, when you become friends with them. Other than that, it's always the persona that you're seeing of somebody. It's always one aspect of someone's you progress with, not somebody who comes in your life and your life regresses, and somebody who means it and believes in the institution of it and not just for the heck of it. I wouldn't want to be.
स्प्लिट्सविला 16 में अपने ग्लैम का तड़का लगा रही हैं निया शर्मा, और आज हम उन्हीं से बातचीत करेंगे कि उनको मिस्चीफ बनकर कैसा लग रहा है। निया, क्या कहना चाहोगे, जैसे आपको ये रोल मिला है जो आप ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स शो में लेकर आ रही है, कितना एंजॉय कर रही हैं?
Oh, I've enjoyed it thoroughly. It's my first time on Splitsvilla 16, and it's very unlike the shows that I've done previously. And it's my first time hosting, so there's no way that I didn't like it. And MTV is a platform where I could bring in my own personality. I could bring in my own elements with the outfits I wanted to wear, with the things that I wanted to experiment with. So, just मुझे जो चाहिए वो मिल गया is what I want to say. Yeah.
आपने कहीं बोला भी था सर्कल है ये फुल की, आपने ऑडिशंस भी दिए थे।
मैंने स्प्लिट्सविला को ऑडिशन दिया था एज अ किड। I was an ardent follower of MTV. I wanted to be in a show like Splitsvilla as a contestant. I never made it. I never made it to Roadies. But life comes full circle. My life had a different destiny, and then here I'm hosting MTV today, the show.
फैंस आपको काफ़ी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। जो कायरा वाला किस्सा हुआ जहाँ पे आपने उनको बताया भी कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है, तो उस पर आप क्या कहना चाहोगे? क्योंकि फैंस बोल रहे हैं कि निया दिल से जितनी साफ़ है बाहर भी उतनी ही साफ़ है, ऐसे लोग बोल रहे हैं, ऐसे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं।
But my reaction was a very spur of the moment reaction. I did not plan any of it. But sometimes what you've gone through in life, things trigger you that way. Not that those girls, whatever they said in the heat of the moment, they meant it. They're beautiful girls. They're amazing girls. A lot of hate on them was also not required. But at the same time, because that topic came up, yes, I just want to convey through that platform that none of that shaming matters to anyone in life. Whoever has to reach wherever, they will eventually, because it's their destiny and it's their hard work. So whatever I said came right from here, because I have myself been criticized a lot in throughout my journey, and I still I'm right here, doing that.
रील्स में उर्फी और आपका सिस्टर बॉन्ड नज़र आ रहा है, तो कैसा है ये सेट पर सिस्टर बॉन्ड? क्योंकि ना उर्फी की जो बाहर इमेज है वो काफ़ी ब्लंट है, एज अ पर्सन वो कैसी है?
We gelled very well. She's professional, she's good, and you only have preconceived notions about somebody because you don't know them, and what you see somebody of somebody, that is just a tip of the iceberg. You will only know somebody when you're face to face with them, when you come to terms with them, when you become friends with them. Other than that, it's always the persona that you're seeing of somebody. It's always one aspect of someone's outer layer that you're seeing, and it's never right to judge anybody. I did at one point, but later on she changed everything once we met and we got along really well.
प्यार और पैसा का शो है, लेकिन फैंस का एक क्वेश्चन है कि शादी का प्रेशर है घर पे कि नहीं है? क्या निया शादी करना चाह रही है?
Okay, so I've reached a stable phase in my life. There is no pressure for shadi in my house. My mom never asked for it. It's just the societal norms where we stay, and then the society that demands it. And do I want to get married? Why not? I've made enough in my life. I'm at a good stage in my career. I'm happy. I'm good looking. I'm pretty,
Yes.
and I have all the rights to get married to somebody that I deserve. But somebody who you progress with, not somebody who comes in your life and your life regresses. And somebody who means it and believes in the institution of it and not just for the heck of it. I wouldn't want to be with somebody like that. So I would enter that institution when the other person also means it, when we have to rise together and we have to go forward together.
आई होप हमें जल्दी गुड न्यूज़ सुनने को मिले आपकी तरफ से। जाते जाते आप अपने फैंस को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I'm loving the response. I'm loving the hype that you guys have given me. My feed is lit. My edits are crazy that I watch, and thank you for all the love. 2026 couldn't have started any better than this.
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन, अगर लव और पैसा आपको ऑप्शन दिया जाए तो आप किसे चूज
I'm
करेंगे?
team Pesa forever. This is what's made me. This is what I've made for myself, and this is what brought a lot of clarity and a lot of surety in my life. Pyar fluctuates. I don't know in my case or in everyone's, but mostly in everyone's. But for me, I will I will stick to what sticks by me, and that's.
आई होप इस शो में कुछ अलग हमें देखने को मिले. प्यार और पैसा में कौन जीतता है, वी डोंट नो.
पैसा.
थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच.
you.
थैंक यू सो मच.